Most basic philosophical foundation in the East are sun, moon, and 5 elements of the nature, which are water, fire, wood, earth, and metal. Harmonization and balancing of these elements are the basic of maintaining the health. Oriental medicine acknowledges human body as a part of a nature. Organs of the body are closely tied to each other, just as the elements of the nature. This is why if one organ's incline or decline directly affects the other organ and breaks the balance within the body. Oriental medicine believes it's quite possible to maintain the health if we know how to balance the energy of the body. This session of the Oriental Medical Digest will explore how this is done. Tonification method in Oriental medicine is a way to maintain the health by preventing the onset of diseases, delaying aging, and rejuvenating the depleted body energy. Thus, if one maintains a way of life in harmony with the nature, one can enjoy longevity without much illnesses. Then how is this possible? To have a better understanding, a solid concept of yin and yang theory is necessary. Oriental medicine has categorized all the energy of the body into either yin or yang. Yang is symbolized by the sun and its moving force, so ki or life force in the body is a yang energy. Male is categorized as yang. Yin is symbolized by the moon and defined as stillness. Body, blood, and female are categorized as yin. Regimen method is basically balancing of the two energies. Basic principle is to raise the deficient energy and lower the excess energy. For those with weakened yin energy, it can be explained in terms of the visceral organs. First case is lack of yin energy in the heart. Palpitation, forgetfulness, insomnia, and excess dreams are the common signs. Pulse is weak and rapid. For the treatment, prescribe 6 grams of 용하면 to reduce palpitation, 10 grams of 백합 to clear the spirit and reduce anxiety, and 12 grams of 산조인 are cooked together in a water and drink the extract. If there is yin deficiency in the liver, dizziness, headache, tinnitus, and hearing problems are the common symptoms. Pulse is tight and rapid in this case. For the treatment, prescribe 4 grams of tangui to tonify the blood and 12 grams of 백작 to comfort the body. These 2 herbs have a synergy effect to quickly replenish the yin energy in the liver. For the case of lung, yin energy deficiency, frequent cough, slight fever, and insomnia are the possible signs. Pulse is thin and rapid. Herbs are prescribed for this type are 맥문동 and 천문동 to strengthen the lung energy and stop coughing. 4 grams are prescribed. Lung may also have yang energy deficiency, and for this instance, 4 grams of insam and hwangi are excellent to fortify the yang energy. Yin energy deficiency of the kidneys is the last case. It has strong connection with the sexual problems. Likely symptoms are sore waist and knees, turbid urine, absent-minded, and tinnitus. Pulse is thin here. Herbs to tonify the reproductive function and overall energy of the body are chosen. 4 grams of sukjihwang, 10 grams of hwangjong, and 2 grams of gugija are prescribed. These herbs are cooked in a water for 2 to 4 hours and drink the herbal extract. All the preparation steps are done in a modernized process. There are basically 2 types of energy in our body, yin and yang. Our health can be maintained if these 2 energies are in equilibrium. This is the distinctive feature of the Oriental philosophy. Let's take a look at how the regimen methods are available for boosting the health of men pertaining to the yang energy. Moxibustion therapy is done to tonify the yang energy. A natural herb such as mugwort is heated to warm the affected area, which promotes healing efficacy by increasing the leukocyte counts in the area. Just as the blood flows within the vessels, energy flows within what is known as meridian. A meridian is chosen depending on which internal organ is treated.
This is how moxibustion therapy is done. The first point is joksamri, located on the anterior surface of the leg, between the tibialis anterior and tibia. It's a good point to boost the energy in the legs and waist.
이런 방법으로 이것을 활용하게 됩니다. 이 중환혈은 이 배꼽하고 명치 끝,
The next point is jungwan, located halfway between the umbilicus and xiphoid process.
중환혈이라고 하는데
It tonifies the digestive system and aids chronic fatigue.
많은 치료하고 있죠. 중환 밑에 배꼽 밑에 환자의
The third point is kihe, 3.5 centimeters below the umbilicus, known to boost physiological activities and alleviate menstrual cramps.
배꼽하고 5등분 했을 때에 그
Guanwan, located 7 centimeters below the umbilicus, strengthens the reproductive system and relieves nervous prostration.
역시 비뇨생식기 계통의 성기능 장애 그런 계통에 우리가 이쪽에다 힘을 많이 두고 있죠. 저쪽을 해서
Shinsu is placed 3 centimeters bilaterally away from the spinal process of the second lumbar vertebra. It strengthens the reproductive system and solidifies the lower back.
11개를 마디를 씌워 내려가서
The last point is bisu, located 3 centimeters bilaterally away from the spinal process of the 11th thoracic vertebra. It's effective for digestive problems.
An exercise we are about to present is especially potent for raising the yang energy for the male population. Prostrate on the ground with the legs attached together and hands towards the leg in a supine position. Tuck the hands under the legs and place your chin on the floor. Then slowly push the floor with your hands and raise the legs so the bodies move forward. Most important aspect of this exercise is the breathing method. Slowly inhale as the body moves forward and hold the breath when the motion stops. Repeat the process for 2 to 3 times. Second exercise, strengthen the splinter muscle. Sit in a comfortable position and bend one leg first. Let the calcaneus of that leg to touch the splinter area and stretch the other leg. In this position, straighten the back and hold the breath after inhalation.
We have to keep in mind that there are tremendous differences among all individuals. These congenital differences are expressed as physiological differences. Thus, it is necessary to receive a proper diagnosis from the doctor before starting any treatment.
Trees cannot grow without sufficient supply of water, but too much water will extinguish the fire. This is from the 5-element theory as explained in the Oriental medicine. Balancing the energy of each organ will lead to a successful maintenance of our health. What type of energy should one increase or decrease? Knowing this answer will certainly help to maintain the health in easy ways.